billionaires. It doesn't happen by accident. It only begins with your skills and experience. But what are those skills and how can you use them to your advantage to catch up with the rich? Well, you are in the right place, my friend, because we are about to answer this very question. If you want to eat on the national cake someday, you better pay attention to this video because we're about to drop some massive bombs. Welcome to Afrinvest TV, where the future billionaires come together. Here are the most 5 skills that make billionaires. In the society we live in this life we live, it's just a negotiation game. Unless you know how to play it, others will always take advantage of you. The rich understand this most. They know that every choice they make has a cost. Like in the physics, on side law of motion, for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. So, every action has a consequence. Billionaires do position themselves in order to make things work toward their favor. In life, you got to know when to fold the hands, know when to shake the hands, know when the deal is done, and know when to walk away. This rule applies most in business. Negotiation isn't all about you taking the whole share into your bank accounts, but it's about finding common ground on which everyone can stand and prosper. And billionaires know this most. That's why a tiny fraction of the total population ranks among them. Problem solving and game theory. In economics, game theory is a concept that studies how people make decisions in situations when the outcome depends on the decisions of others. Billionaires are the masters of this game. They know how to make the right decisions, especially when their success depends on the decision of other people. Billionaires always think ahead, finding the possible reactions of other people, face problems head-on, and work out solutions that doesn't only solve the immediate issues but also the future problems. This positions them well for their future success. This ability helps them to turn problems into solutions, and this helps them to preserve their wealth. Sales and branding. In this world, you are either being sold or you are selling. Mastering the art of sales and branding is like crafting an everlasting high-priced artwork of Mona Lisa. It's about connecting deeper with the people's needs, dreams and aspirations, and persuading them into buying and using your products and services. Coca-Cola and McDonald's, for example, have been doing it for centuries, and billionaires own this great skill. You just have to look at billionaires like Richard Branson, Donald Trump, Elon Musk to realize that. You have to understand that the product your company is selling is not a mere commodity, but a symbol and a brand, a narrative and experience that people resonate with. Create a unique brand identity that is authentic and relatable. This does not only attract customers but creates trust and loyalty. Remember, your reputation is your best advertisement. Networking. Billionaires know that building wealth isn't just about money, it's about relationships. They are masters at networking, making it a priority, not a side job. They build connections like a web, reaching out in all directions. Each new relationship is a chance for more knowledge, more opportunities, and more influence. It's like they are correcting a team, but instead of prayers, they are correcting allies. Alone, a person might have little power, but with a wide, strong working relationships, that's where the real power comes from. It's about being connected and surrounded by people who only act and think like you do. And in this way, you can have a positive impact on the entire society. Time management. Time is not money because it can never be bought, nor taken back. It's not money, but it's the most valuable resource that you have, and how you invest it will determine your destiny. The rich know that everyone who wants to talk to them wants to take their time, wants to take their brains for their expertise on the secrets of their empire, and they know when to say no to that. They plan their day carefully, thinking about what each hour will be used for. They decide which tasks are worth their time based on whether it will help them grow or succeed or not. Managing their time well is one of the main reasons why they become so successful. They've spent years learning how to do this effectively, and that's why they are not exactly willing to give it away to anybody. And if you've liked this video, please hit the subscribe button, notification, like and comment. Then you'll always be notified about the other educative and entertaining video like this. Thank you.